You! Obis.
5:15. I haven't punched in yet. This is still my time. Yeah?
I give you a harder time about my truck the other day. Cops find 2 kids.
Feel free to apologize anytime.
Anyway, they investigate. Could be joyride. But I think maybe behind it is my cousin in the north side.
Do you know if they found my books?
Who knows? You study hard for massage, yeah?
The licensing test is pretty hard. Huge failure rate.
If you pass, then what you do with this?
Be a professional masseur.
You know, think of massage kage? You know, small sauna.
Yeah, I can see it. 4 or 5 tables, soothing atmosphere, pipe in a little Keith Jarrett.
What's the thing I get stuck with you, I think? Oh, shit, God damn it. You lazy American and criminal. Not good for Kim. But you, worker for Kim and future. Like a Korean people.
I wouldn't say that.
I come from Korea. Only new shoes and uncle's other dress. Worse than prison. But I become Chasusunka, the boss. That's why I try to help you.
Help me how? What are you talking about?
I stake you the money in the storefront. I got a travel agency in a mini mall over at West Cornwall. Shitty business with a fucking 3-year lease. You know, my daughter, very interested in massage, physical therapy, top of tutor's class.
Good for her. It's a tough nut to crack.
She no like the physical therapy no more. Crippled people make her sad. Now she watch TV, live at home, do nothing. You pass test, then you, me, my daughter, we make the big success journey. Okay?
Jesus. Yeah, all right. I don't know what to say, Kim. Thanks.